Yo, what's going on, traders? It's your one and only skill coach, Tim Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys here today on this one. So, in the past few years, a whole lot of traders have always asked me questions like, "Hey Tim, is it possible to trade boom and crash volatility index using TradingView?" Because a lot of people really loved TradingView because of how seamless it is to analyze your market. But the only issue we were having then was that you can only analyze your market, but you cannot trade using TradingView when it comes to Deriv. But guess what, guys? Deriv now has TradingView whereby you can trade directly from TradingView, and that's what I'll be showing you here today on this video. Is that something that would interest you? Why not hit the subscribe button in case if you haven't subscribed, maybe this is your first time bouncing into my channel, or you have subscribed but you didn't turn on the notification bell. Please turn it on so that you don't miss out any single video that I give you guys. So as you can see currently, the number one, you can see this is Deriv. So this is for you to know that this is not any other broker. All right, this is my number one recommended broker, Deriv. All right, in case if you're new to trading and you don't have a Deriv account, you want to do something very simple. Go straight to the description of this video. The first link, I always drop it to be the first link. The first link there, click on it and it's going to take you straight to create a Deriv account where you can have a professional trading account. That's my number one top recommended broker. I've been using them for the past 5 years and they have never been issued. Their customer support is top notch. They will always help you solve any issue that ever arises, and so far so good. There's never been issue. My deposits and withdrawals has always been seamless. If you guys observe so many of my videos, I've always showed you guys how I withdraw and withdraw from my trading accounts, but that's not what we're talking today. So let's get straight into business. So number one, you can see this is Deriv, and number two, you're gonna see something here. You can see this is my current balance, which is $10. I just deposited a little amount into this account so that I can grow it. Currently, as you can see, is on $6 profit, and this is the equity, which is $17 and still counting. Based on my analysis, I'm looking forward to taking profits somewhere here. This is where I'm looking forward to taking my profit. All right, but you guys know how I usually trade. If the trade comes all the way right now, all I need to do is to keep locking my profit and extending my take profit, because I'm looking forward to having a final take profit at this support zone here. But that's not what I want to show you. I'm not here to show you analysis. I'm here to show you how to get started in order to trade from TradingView. All right, so guys, before I show you how to get started on it, I want to take you through the tour of this platform. All right, so if you click here, if you create your account, if you click here, TradingView, you can see this is exactly the same TradingView that all of us know, right? So this was where I made my analysis, and this is the target I'm looking out for. I'm looking out for a very huge target. So let me just, you can see that this is the normal TradingView that all of us know. Yeah, is it not? Yeah. Is there anything different? There's nothing different. You can see where I place my trade from, and it's currently counting. So the beautiful thing about it is that you can easily calculate your losses and your profits with ease. Now you can see from here, this is where I currently have my take profit 1, which I showed you guys earlier. And what can you see here? You can see 24.86. That simply means that if this price hits this level, this is how much I'll be making in profits. So automatically, you don't need to stress yourself to calculate where should I put my take profit or stop loss. Automatically, guys, you can easily calculate your stop losses and take profit right from here. That's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, let's continue going, guys. So you have all your tools for your analysis. You have your Fibonacci retracement and all of them here. Over here you have your long and short position tool and everything. Over here you have your tools for your trend line, your analysis, and everything here. All right, so how does this work? You can make your analysis here. All right, but when you want to place your trade, you have to come over here where it says watch list. So I'm currently on TradingView. So when you come to watch list, this is where you want to place your sell or buy. This is where you want to put the lot size, okay, before you place your buy or sell. So whatever trade you trigger here is going to show also on this end, on the TradingView end. Okay, so it just depends on you, which one do you think is better for you, you want to use in making your analysis. All right, it's just left for you, but you have the two of them right in front of you there. That's the beautiful thing, guys. That's the beautiful thing about it. So you can trade directly on TradingView now. Is that not wonderful? That is why I always recommend Deriv to all my traders. A whole lot of my traders, a lot of my students, right from 3 years ago when I started teaching people. I've been trading for 5 years, but I started teaching 3 years ago. All right, my top recommended broker has always been Deriv. That's because this is a wonderful broker that keeps expanding. Now, Deriv is the only broker that trades crypto, currency pairs, and indices. Is that not wonderful? Every other brokers can only trade currency pairs. I've not seen a broker that trades both currency pairs and indices. When I say indices, that's where we talk about. Over here, if you click here, you're going to see your watch list. Over here, you can see your boom 500, crash 1000. You can see all the indices here. If there's anyone you're looking for that you can't find, all right, you can always come over here and search for what you're looking for. Now, the beautiful thing about this right now is that right from here, straight and direct, I can also trade BTC. I can put BTC USD. So right from here, I can trade BTC if I want. That's beautiful, guys. I don't need to have to create a special account. No, right from here, I can trade BTC if I want. I can also trade currency pairs. If I put USD, let me say GBP USD, I can also click here and trade that directly on the screen right from here directly. Is that not wonderful, guys? That's beautiful. That's beautiful. All right, so you want to go straight right now to this description of this video. If you don't have a Deriv account, click on the link and create a Deriv account. When you create an account, just leave on the comment section and tell me, hey Tim, I just created a Deriv account, so that I can give you an official welcome into the trading industry. Yeah, so for now, as you guys can see, based on my analysis, I'm expecting to take profit somewhere around here. All right, I'm expecting to take my profit somewhere around here, which is going to be like $24 if it comes through. So the question now is, Tim, how do I create my own Deriv TradingView account? It's simple. When you come over to your Deriv, for those of you who don't have a Deriv account yet, go to the description of this video and create an account. Okay, so you want to go straight to your Deriv account. So for me, I'm currently logged into my Deriv account on this side. So when you create a Deriv account, you have under the real, so, and then you have the demo. All right, so this is for the demo, and then this is for what? The real. So when you come under your Deriv dashboard, then you want to go straight down. Now when you get down, you will see Deriv X. So on the Deriv X, you're going to see get. Because I already have a Deriv X account, that's why you can see transfer. So either I want to transfer fund from it or out of it, and then you have open. If I click on this open, it's going to take me straight to the platform where I just came from, which is TradingView. All right, but for you, if you don't have an account, you're going to see get just the way you have get here. All right, so that's the same way you're going to see get. When you click on get, when you click on get, it's going to ask you to create a password. For instance, if I click on this get, it's going to ask me to do what? To create a password. All right, that password, do not forget it, because once you create that password, that's the password that is going to require you to be able to log into your TradingView account. So when you create a password and then you want to get into your TradingView account, what you want to do is to click on open. Now when you click on open, it's going to give you this. All right, this is what it's going to give you as your username. So you're going to copy it. When you copy it, you want to click on web terminal. If you click on web terminal, it's going to take you straight here. It's going to take you straight here. So over here is where you want to put the username that you copied, and then over here is where you want to put your password, which you created when you clicked on get. The moment you put it, you're going to log in and it's going to take you straight to here. All right, this is where it's going to take you straight to. And once you get here, voila, congratulations, you now have a TradingView Deriv account where you can trade directly from TradingView, and that's awesome. That's awesome. All right, did you find this video helpful? Why not show some appreciation by hitting the like button? And if you have questions, please use the comment section, because I know a lot of you will have questions. Hey Tim, how do I navigate this? How do I find this on that? Use the comment section and ask me. Once I check it out, and find the answer to your questions, I will create a video to teach you much more. All right.